A question I often ask and rarely get an answer to: how do you revise your business plan? Hello everyone, my name is Michael J. Penny, founder and creator of 5paragraph.com. The 5-paragraph business plan is military-style planning for business professionals. We are bringing the 5-paragraph operations order of the military planning process out to the business world. So I ask you, how do you revise your business plan? Because we know how to revise it. You debrief with the people that are in the field, gather as much ground intelligence as possible, hold it up to the significant action tracker that you are accordingly putting together for your competition, much greater than a SWOT analysis. And then combining all of that into an after-action report, an after-action review, and then revising that business plan. We can show you how it's done. Same way that we do it in the military. So I invite you to check out 5paragraph.com, learn how to revise your business plan and use your business plan on a daily basis. Learn more at 5paragraph.com. Till then, take care, be well.